want to get that in the diamond spot. I think it's called diamond rank. Yeah, let's just play it. What's this? Well, you see, I've unlocked every skin, every hoverboard. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, this crocodile's for money, of course. So we need to do this. Here we go. The biggest run has been started. It has been started. Let's go. Yes. Yeah, we have the biggest one. You see, I can jump. It's basically fly. I fly. I can fly, man. I can fly. I can fly, 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 fly. Up here. Yeah. It's a hack, right? But we can also do this. We go faster than the speed of light. I'm just gonna do this. Flippy hop, 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 hop. Land over up here. And we're just gonna do this thing. This is gonna be the biggest run ever. As you see, it is. I have been in silver, by the way. I played the game. I've been in silver. I'm in silver top. I'm in silver top, and I need to get gold top and then, or even diamond top in this run. No, you can't catch me, police. You see, I can jump the high of the lights. I'm just gonna do this, police. I'm up here now. I'm up over here now, and I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna do this. Now let's just wait for this. Hey, I'm gonna go up here, up here, up here, and I am a flyer. I am a flyer. I'm a flyer. You see? I am a flyer. The cops cannot catch me, guys. The cops cannot catch me. Let's do this, bro. Let's do this. I want the biggest run ever in the whole universe in here. Like how much it is big. I think I need to go to 1,000,000. Yes, I am gonna take this run to 1,000,000. This is the biggest run. And this is the only run, okay? This is the only run. We don't even need coins because I have 100 billion and trillion coins. Yeah, that's how I unlock the skin. Yes. This game is gonna go forever. Ever and ever. We have like 1 billion coins at my house. Yes. We're not gonna collect anything. We are not gonna collect anything. We are not collecting anything. Oh, look at that. He had a mustache. Yes, he had a mustache of water. Oh, you really think I'm not gonna give up. We just need to wait a couple seconds of this ad. I wish I could delete. Well, you see, I don't use any stuff. I just upload my videos like this. Yes, because the other stuff adds more things. So just waiting for this. How long is this gonna take for here? There we go. Now we are gonna go whoosh, and we are going to the future. We didn't go 5 times. He had a mustache of water. Let's just do this. We can just hop like this. We are a hopper. Hopper, hop, hop, hopper. You see, I choose this girl, but she looks like a guy more. She's actually Mischief. Yes, Mischief. What? Again? Okay, sorry guys. Here it is. Here you can see this button over here. Okay, stupid. I'm doing this run, right? I am not giving up on this. We just need ads and ads and ads. If there was an ad, and I would have watched it. Ads, ads, ads. I hate ads. Woohoo! We are going faster than the speed of light. I don't like these jump hoppers. Why do I get them every time? Why? Again? What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? Guys, what is this nonsense? Stupid Likey, I hate you. I just want stupid Likey. I just want no ads. I do not want any ads. Stupid. I wish I had something that could delete the ads. Let's go to this. There we go. Without repeats. I'm gonna go this side. Because if I go in the middle, I know I'm gonna get it again. What? Guys, why do I get this upgrade? This stupid upgrade. The stupid upgrade. What? What? Why do I just get this stupid upgrade? I'm getting super angry right now. Yes, I am getting like super angry right now because this upgrade. Because of this upgrade. This jumpy hoppers. Why? Why the jumpy hoppers? We have only used like 3 lives. Okay, it's okay. I guess. Let's just stay up here. No team. We don't need those. We're just gonna stay up here right now. Yes, we're just gonna stay up here. I'm gonna stay in the air because I'm gonna stay up in the air. No. I am staying up in the air. You cannot get me. Cops. How do you even get this? I'm gonna stay up in the air. I am not going down. Not touching anything. I will not touch anything. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm not gonna touch anything. I am very angry right now. I am very angry that I get that upgrade. Why? Okay, I'm not angry. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Hey, I'm not touching the ground. If I touch the ground, I have to end this video in 10 seconds. If I touch the ground in 10 seconds, then the video is ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I can go touching the ground. Now I can touch the ground. Now I can touch the ground. But I'm not going to. Now we're flying. No, we're flying. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, you think that I'm gonna touch the ground? I can't touch the ground. Hey, what am I even saying? I just need to go up here. Yes, this is my heaven. I just need to go up in the air. Not my heaven. It's heaven is not. The heaven is real. Everyone, heaven is real. If you're Christian, go to your church and pray for God. If you're Muslim, pray for Allah. Pray. If you're Hindus, I don't know what do you do. Temples, you go to temples, I think. Go to your temples and pray for God. Wait a minute, actually, Hindus don't pray for God. If you do that, you're not that powerful. If you are a Hindu, please, I respect you. I respect your religion. Yeah? But pray for God. Pray for God. Pray for Allah in your temples. In your temples. Do not pray for statues. Okay? Okay, Hindus? Hindus? Yes. Okay. We're doing the biggest run in the life. And it's going pretty good. This run is gonna be for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna stop it. Yes, I need to use these. I have like a billions of the million. I have a million of these. I have to use these now. It's pretty fun just doing this. Pretty fun. We're going very fast. We go faster than the world. A mustache. He has a mustache of water. Can you see that? He has a mustache of water. That temple, I don't know what it is, but he has a mustache of water. Mustache of water. Oh, oops. It's not that far. Okay, what's this game? I don't know that language. What is that language? I don't know. I don't know how to speak this. I don't know. Philippines or something? I don't know. Philippines? Well, okay, we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna go up and in the sky. And in the sky. We need to at least get the gold level. Yes, the gold level. You see gold rank, yes, the top gold rank. And I think that is actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna make this video 22 minutes long. Yes. Actually, yes. Okay, I'm gonna die one more time here. One more time. Are you ready? This is gone. And I'm gonna die one more time. Boom. And I'm gonna watch this ad. And we're gonna go. Okay? Let's play this game, I guess. We just play this game. What is this game even? I don't know. Because of bad, yes, okay. Okay, this game is... I guess this could be the next game I'll play. Nope, actually, I could play this game. No, bro. Let's go in here. Start in that. Ooh, now I'm not gonna die. We need to not die. I think this was our 5th time. I don't know if we have 6 lives though. Wow, the lag, it's lagging. It's super lagging. The seconds fly. Uh-oh. This is our last life, I think. Oh no. Okay, this time we need to stay. We need to stay in the air. We cannot die this time. This is our last life. This is our last life. Oh my god, we need to not die. Last life. We need to at least get to in the gold rank or up the gold rank. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is our last life. We cannot die. We cannot die. We cannot. Keep using the hoverboard is gonna save us, I think. We just need to stay up in there. Actually, just do this, and you'll be fine. I'm just gonna use this. Oh no, we died. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Double coins. I don't need double coins. I need to go here. And let's see. Are we? Okay, we are in the gold rank. At least we are in the gold rank. Yes, at least we are in the gold rank. At least we are in the gold rank. Now we are in the gold rank. At least in the gold rank. This guy got 778 and I need like 1,200,300 or something 500 to beat and be the diamond. To beat the diamond I need to get 288 3682. What? Then and the goal is that level. What? Okay, guys, I guess the biggest run was not the biggest run. Okay, I guess we tried at least. At least we tried to get the biggest run. I got my missions right over here. Missions. We have like. You can see how many I have here. You can see how many coins and we have. Key to break up. Okay. I'm gonna get my coins. I have like so many keys, but they're not even worth it because what is this? Welcome pack. Limited time. crocodile. Get Boombat for it. Okay. Activate free stuff. We have a billion of these, you can see. The money is the hoverboards, we have a billion of them. My brother is with me right now. Do you want to see him? I'm not gonna let you see him. Let's just do this and subscribe and like the video and share it and comment. Bye.